What's going on, everybody? Just making an announcement. Give me 1 sec for the people that are trying to join, also on YouTube and TikTok. All right, we are live. Let me just make sure I'm live on all platforms. Yes, I am. Dope. How is everybody doing, man? It's been a minute since I had chatted with you guys. Bring the mic a little bit closer here. I'll just put the volume up. Is that better? Does that make my sound a little bit better? Or is it still far? Oh shit. Just popped open. Yeah? Alright, dope. I apologize. What's going on, everybody? Forgot about that. I need to stream Top Step. Alright. Now you guys should be able to see it, right? Right. Good. What's going on, everybody? Let me go ahead and just move this to the side. Oh, that's live metrics, bro. I need the live chat from TikTok, even though they're toxic as heck, but, you know, I'll keep it here. What's going on, everybody? And then also YouTube. Let me grab that as well. Oh, shit. I better just click on. Hey, I didn't want to click on anything. Yo, what in the this? No, toxic. No, I'm saying there's some crazy toxic people on TikTok, yo. Man, I'm tired. It's been a long day already for me, dude. But yeah. For anybody that's on Discord, give me 1 sec. I'm just loading this up, and then we should be good to go. I think Zizi should be joining us here shortly too. View in control room. There we go. That looks better. Hey, for everybody on YouTube, hello. Your volume is low. Is it better now? Yeah? Okay, dope. Alright, so now I got YouTube. I got TikTok. I just need to pop up the chat real quick, and then we should be fine. We should be good to go. Now, how do I make a YouTube chat pop out? Anybody know how to do that? Pop out dashboard. Is that what it is? Nope. I guess I'll just keep it here. Anyways, how y'all doing? How's everybody? How's gold going? I think gold is pumping right now, right? Ooh, what the hell? Might be another day to skip out. Might be another day to just skip out. Just refreshing my screen, just 1 sec. What? Did you guys not see me get rid of these drawings? What the hell? Okay, here we go. Alright. Missed the nice entry for longs. But we are bullish on the hourly. Bearish on the 30 minutes so far. Sheesh. This is horrible. Wow. This is insane. This is horrible. What the fuck is this? What is this? Who's been trading this? Guys, be careful if you're trading this. This is insane. This is horrible. This is like absolutely horrible. Like next level horrible. Bro, there's news coming out every second on financial. Yeah, I mean, dude, what the hell is this? What the hell? Wow. Okay. What the? What the flip? What is this? Trump returned to Washington D.C. as soon as possible. What the hell? Oh my god, man. Got some grandma cookies. Oh shit. Did I open them? Fuck, I forgot I opened them. Now they spilled all over my desk. I need to vacuum anyway. Just get rid of it real quick. Where is it? It's an absolute mess right now. Gold 5-minute is actually playing out nicely. Here's a 15, pushing it 2 down. Do I see that pivoting the hourly? I'm gonna be real, there's 13 more minutes for this hourly to close. I would rather personally just wait. I'm just saying, but because it's a mess. Right now it's an absolute mess. This is horrible. Was it like this in the morning? Because whenever I checked in the morning, I was like, yeah, I saw a little chop, and I was like, yeah, I'm out of here. I'm going to trade the PM session. Now, I wake up during PM session, you know, like, that's like 10, I'm usually up. I can't sleep past that point. I can't. That's it. But I woke up, I was like, yeah, what the hell is this? Yep, nope. This is more of a market where you just want to lotto everything. Just YOLO it. If you want to trade this is like, I mean, yeah, there's like, there's support and resistance which you could play off of, but yeah, this is just insane. This is just insane. Love how it pushed the do down, and then now it's like pushing back up, and then is it going to confirm that hourly low to push back up? Did we break a 2 up on the hourly? Is a no. Yeah, we did. What is that break, bro? It didn't even break it. No, it didn't break it. Yeah, no, it didn't break it. Hourly's still inside. Okay. Why do I have the 2-minute? Okay. Hourly's still inside, so I just want to see what's up for now. Good boy is crazy. Wild work, yo. TikTok. Who's reporting me? Wow, not even a hi to Zizi. Wait, is Zizi talking? Oh, Zizi, are you here? Oh, what the fuck? Wait, I can't hear you. Zizi's here? Did I just buy? Oh my god, I thought I bought. My heart dropped, yo. Is my headset even on? It is. Hello? ¿Sí? Hola? No? No, you didn't go. You didn't get banned for that reason. There's always a reason, but that can be a reason why. No. Yo. Yeah. Hey. 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 Hi. Hi. I can hear you now. Hello. How's it going? Me? What do you mean? I'm live as well on TikTok and. Yeah, I can't be saying crazy shit right now. They ain't gonna catch me lacking. Nuh-uh. Let me see. 30-minute broke a 2 down, by the way. What the hell, gold? Massive sell-off. Here, I could put the volume down. There you go. How do I join the Discord? Link is in my bio. We actually have a new alerter. So we have JPM Trades. He's a goated options trader. Insane with QQQ and SPY. At least from what I've seen, this is just personal experience from what I have witnessed him. And I swear to you, no joke. Like, put all that BS aside. This man has called out some insane fucking plays. Like, I could vouch for him. Of course, none of that is financial advice, whatever. But, you know, just truth be told. And then we also have Nitro. Nitro trades. This is the only person that I could really speak about that trades ICT that I could speak highly about. That's the only person that I could really talk good about when it comes to ICT traders and ICT trading concepts or whatever. Anybody else, for me, in my opinion, I don't know. I don't want to know. I don't care. None of that. I'm not saying that, you can't be profitable trading ICT concepts because, he trades volume, stuff like that. So, yeah. He should be joining. He should be joining us very soon. He's just busy. I'm gonna go run to the bathroom real quick. I'll be right back. Hi guys. I'm back. Life of $30. Can I hold 50? Nitro legit. Nitro's amazing. Nitro's an amazing guy. Question for T and Z. I had a question about the strat video I was watching, and one thing I want to confirm. All of the entries are made off of the break alone. We don't wait for the candle to close. Just want to confirm. Basically, yeah. So the idea is with the strat is, let's just say that we're going to take this 15-minute shooter right here, right? As the candle breaks, that's a confirmation of new direction, right? That's basically the sellers being more in control, breaking it 2 down, confirming that it's a 2 down now. So yeah, that's the idea behind it. But now we just gotta wait. Turbo, can we get a ooh for the new people? Show them how. Okay, ooh. If that helps, yo. I'm so tired. I've been on the road for the longest, man. But I hope the new people, get the best ooh impression from me right here. No mummies. No mummies. Turbo selling his soul now. I would never, man. Do it again. Do it again. No. Oh no 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 no. 50% off. No. What if another person is willing to pay 100% and you're willing to pay 50% off? Now, which one would make me money? Obviously, right? You gotta keep it. You gotta keep it fair. Love and money don't mix. Yeah, you can't. Fuck no. Who'll lie to you? Nah, I absolutely love you. 100%. Aha. W English right there. I mean, if we could target these lows, it would be nice. Are you being serious? Gold, let me breathe. Relax. Breathe. Breathe air. Wait, I haven't even entered. I haven't even entered. I did not even enter. Yo, hey. Breathe. Chill. I'm not taking that. Oh well. I'm not taking that. I'm not taking that, bro. Nope. I ain't doing that. No, on GC. Yeah, just broke a 2 down on the hourly. We're tapping into a fair value range gapped area. He's joining today, I think, but he's fine with it. He knows. He knows the truth. Instagram? SRTXTA. I'm not very active on there. I just watch memes. I just watch memes, that's it. Huh? You watch yourself? I mean, let me go on, like, I don't know. I just go on the For You page, click on something random, and then yeah, that's pretty much it. That's all I do on Instagram. I barely get on there, so yeah. Turbo, when is the next free call? What the hell? I'm waiting for something to pop up, something convincing to take. Is NQ pushing highs while GC is plummeting right now?
Yep. Missed out on a long opportunity on NQ actually after that break of that inside on the 15.
I'm personally going to wait for this hourly to close up here in 2 more minutes.
Probably, yeah. You could see a pullback on the hourly.
Whoa, that damn, dude. Where was it? I mean, if we can get pulled back here, I'll sure, but I doubt that. Maybe. On gold? 3 bar you said? No, it didn't break a 2 up. So it wouldn't be considered a 3 bar. There was no break to the top side. It just broke the bottom. So if it broke the top and the bottom, then that would be considered a 3 bar. But maybe on NQ you're referring to? GC, yeah, GC's going. It's actually really, it's bleeding, but I would love to hop on the trend of it bleeding out of control right now, but for a second it feels like it wants to be bullish. But I've already missed my entry for the shorts, which was the 15-minute low right here, rejecting from this, which we saw it happening here. Obviously we could have targeted these lows, put our stops above that high, or even right here, and you know, it still would have been fine above the 15-minute to not have a 2 up continuation. But I mean, not gonna chase it. I do need to change my risk settings though. So 500 for 1500. The maximum I lose on this account is literally 1,000, and then it's locked automatically. I have a personal lockout limit on it, just because I don't like to have more than that. Here it is. This is the new hourly. If it confirms a 2 down, I mean, would go bearish to target these lows, even these lows, to be honest. But so far, we are in the mother bars range. So far, we are trading here. So if we can get a decent amount of pullback with nice retracement to push back down, it would be nice. Who is in the live? Who in this live actually knows how to trade? Or is it a signal bots? I don't know what I was talking about. Yeah, whatever you said, Queen. No offense. I like queens. I don't know what.
Wait, what?
We're AI. Thanks for the flowers. Thanks for the roses. Smell good. Smell good. Glizzy. Thanks for the glizzy. No.
I am not trading IFBC. Or IAC.
Can we break a 2 down on the hourly? Push back down bearish to these lows would be awesome, but you know, a little bit of a riskier position. Trying to get a good entry in though. So from this move up all the way to this move down, we have the 0.5 range of this whole place, which would be over here. That's just the halfway point of this whole range. So that's it. It's pretty self-explanatory with the fib. If we could maybe pull back up here and show some kind of weakness, which we are, technically right now, we are showing some kind of weakness. But from there, get that retracement back down, pushing bearish to break that hourly 2 down, also come back down to these lows. It would be awesome. It would be amazing. But so breaks the hourly, pushes the 2 down. That pushes the 2 down as well, comes back down to these lows, takes it out, and then we could wait for that mother bar. We could leave a runner or something for the mother bar's range. Why am I on GC? Why am I on GC? Yo, someone just sent me a gamer. Oh, is that Chris? Oh, thank you, dude. I got a cool looking thing that popped up on my screen. It's like, oh, okay. Pop off. And then where's the hourly 2 down? This is the hourly 2 down. So here's the top wick being formed. Again, I want to see some kind of retracement first, and then we can expect that bearish move to pop in. Which we just hit this range, so let's see. Let's see how it does here. Probably do either 15 or maybe even 14 contracts of shorts. Unless we unless we do that, then we're absolutely killing that range, yeah. What do people on YouTube think? 15-minute. Yeah. I didn't even check the 15. I mean, if we break a 2 up on the 15, it would be actually insane, but yeah. It is a bullish, move so far. I mean, you want to see that though. I mean, the sellers are definitely more aggressive right here, so we just have to wait, see a setup pop in, and then we take it. I'm not in a rush right now. I'm not in a rush, so. Pick a few that you know. Yeah, so just pick a couple that you know that you've kind of already understood and understands the basics of just the fundamentals of it, and then from there just legit follow those. Just stick with those, right? Yeah, I need an A plus. So A plus 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 will never happen in Asia. I'm gonna be honest with you. Not enough volume, and especially in this market, it's so dependent on news that it's like almost impossible. Excuse me. Almost impossible for us to catch an AA plus 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 setup. But yeah. Things about a little bit 2-1-2 continuation. Yeah, 2-1-2 continuation is nice. Playing off the continuation is actually very nice. Super solid. Very great. Z likes to play continuations. 5-minute close strong. Yeah, that's why I'm not shorting yet. Just because it closed strong, that doesn't make the hourly not strong as well, because it did push a 2 down. Off of a decent range too. We just want to see some kind of retracement or some kind of rejection at least on the lower time frames for me to actually confirm that, okay, well, this hourly will pivot back down. You see longs and you see shorts. Isn't that the most typical like trading thing that happens?
No, on NQ, bro. I see long and I see short.
Oh, okay. I was like, bro, we see that normally, like, on the charts. Alright, be ready for an entry here for shorts for me. At least I'm going to be taking this. Again, I'm taking just 2 trades today, nothing more, nothing less. But yeah, 2 trades per day. If I take an L, then oh well. But I want to see if we could break this 2 down. If we can't, then we can't jump in. We just kind of got to wait.
I hope it gives us an inside bar here.
We have no. We just gotta wait.
Because right now I'm more leaning into long right now, just because us breaking, making a build through down, I'm breaking the hour of top side. 4 hour looks very bullish. Say not very bullish, but that's a crazy wick. 4 hours.
A massive sell-off right there. Aww. Potato? What you eating? Talking about potatoes here now? Dope. Okay. 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 Relax. Can we just like take it easy, brother? Take it easy. Have your orders ready. I'm going to be entering in shorts very soon. Alright, I'm definitely in here. I'm taking shorts here. Target that hourly break to the downside. 1 to 3 are our multiple on this trade. Either we miss out on 500 bucks or we bank on 1500. 1 to 3. I want to see that bearish continuation here. 5-minute could close bearish would be awesome, and then we can continue flushing. Would be nice. Yeah, these are extremely risky positions. Understand that before you take these, because bro, it's like, yeah, it is Asia 1, 2. It's a market that's more dependent on news. Than actual technical analysis or anything you want to call it. Like, it's really dependent on news. It's really a market that's more focused on news, so just be careful if you are taking this. And then we could target, like, I would want to sell a couple here, so I'd probably secure some back over here and then leave the rest to break it 2 down, continue flushing. Be nice, would be awesome. Inside broke a 2 up, not liking that. Need to see a retracement back down to push out these lows. Come for a low day. I mean, we can go for low day. It shouldn't be a big deal, but yeah. NQ moving.
And Q shorts, bro. It's printing right now.
NQ shorts is printing.
Let's go. Yeah.
You got in shorts?
Yeah.
When? Oh, did you? I didn't know you called it out.
No, I didn't. Oh my god, first TP hit already. Okay.
Okay.
Slay.
We're probably gonna get stopped up because he's in shorts, and we're in shorts as well. If it breaks a 15-2 up, then we are definitely out. Oh, my stop's tighter.
That was such an early TP, bro. Oh, that was not a good placement for TP.
Yeah, if shorts are playing out on NQ, I expect GC to rip. To be honest with you guys, I'm gonna be real.
Oh, yeah, bro. Yeah.
Yeah, I thought NQ was pumping, so I thought the whole time, like, I was like, oh, okay, and Q is pumping, we should be fine. But yeah.
Gave us a big fake out. Like, it's huge fake out in the hourly. That's like a huge fake out. This bitch was dropping. Which, oh my god. 22 right here. Moving stops to break even. Risk free trade.
Let's see what gold has to offer. Breaks the 2 up here, we are out. I'll take that L and move on.
A bit of a late trade, but it's okay. It's okay. It's okay.
Damn, Z, you took a fair value gap setup?
No?
Wow. Alright, we're out of that position, guys. Stopped out of that.
Right.
Oh.
Very supply zone, yeah.
Oh, okay. He took us fair value gap, basically. That's what he saw.
Very valuable. Very valuable. That's what you're trading, man. No problem, man. Thank you. Thank you.
Let's see. I mean, us ripping past this is actually interesting, but yeah.
It's been a long time since I was happy about catching the trade. We have been in a losing streak. Sad. Now we're back though. We're back. Let's go. Break even trade. Not break even. Recipe trade. Beautiful. You know?
Yeah, if that's the case, then yeah. GC is going to be ripping. And Q's dumping, GC is going to be ripping up.
No, I did not take the IFVT. What the fuck in?
Yes, you did. Yes, you did, you bad boy. Yes, you did.
Take an IFVT, bro.
Yes, you
What
did.
are you talking about?
You took a fair value gap setup. Uh-oh.
I marked this right here. I marked the supply zone.
Uh-oh. He took a fair value gap setup, guys.
Was very, very
Was very fair and valuable.
Let's see the continuation though. Before you run the trade. Well, you're
Gold has been like,
there was space.
it's like, it's been like, I don't understand. What is this? Why are we just in the same range over here, just consolidating? So it's a little annoying, but I don't see us break high a day and then keep ripping off of this at this point. There's no way. We keep ripping here, this is gonna be insane. For gold, that's insane.
You give me all this move to go back to break even? No. Yeah, it was
I don't see this bullish. I don't see this bullish, yo. 15 broke a 2 up. Looks like it's going to close. If it closes inside this range, then I'm in shorts again.
I took W. Post down the profits channel.
Yo,
Tag me in it. Post there.
gold. Relax. Relax. Wow, what a sell-off. Whoa. Alright, 40 minutes left for this shorts. Target these lows. 5 seconds till this mid-minute closes.
Entry should have been up here, guys. On this, the entry should have been up here, but yeah,
Just waiting for now.
it's a crazy 5 minute though.
Alright, I'm gonna try out shorts again here on gold. I really like the way this looks, so I'm gonna add a little bit more on this position. Don't forget, I have a maximum SL of 1500. Or 1000, sorry. 1000 maximum stop loss for me. But what idea is that we shift this direction. We stay bearish on this 5 minute and we keep pushing back down to these lows, break a 2 down on the hourly, even push more bearish than that, but we'll have to see. Also, we're at a decent range where we have not broken past this previously, so see a rejection come in, we push back down, we break the hourly 2 down, and it would be nice. It would be a nice trade. Probably secure majority over here at this low, so I'll buy 15 back over here, limit buy 15 back at these lows in case we have equal lows again, and then we just shift back up. Where's the 5? The 5 did close nicely, actually. The 5 did close nice, so let's see if there's follow through. Last trade for the day for me, by the way, guys. This is my last trade. If it doesn't play out, I'm out. Breaks a 5, 2 down would be nice. Breaks a 2 up, we'll be out. We're holding this pretty damn well right here. 410. What is that? What was that? Oh. I thought you got something else clapped. Just this for now, because I don't want it to go back up to my stop loss and then just liquidate block without it actually hitting my stop loss. I see a drop on gold off the 5-minute Z, which is why I'm in shorts on gold right here. Three-minute is also bearish. Even 2-minute, 15-minute is just closed now. 2 up, but we need to come back down, test this low, and then if we could reject it down to these lows would be nice. What are we doing, JC? Look at this, bro. So can we have follow through? Okay, follow through. Whoa. Damn, massive buy right here. Whoa, massive buy right there on gold.
Why are they buying gold and NQ at the same time? Confused.
And Q's pushing up?
Well, it's not but like, it looks like they want to push up, but they shouldn't. They shouldn't push up.
That's what I'm saying. Gold should plummet here. Gold should plummet here, not push up. Okay. None of these candles matter until the 5 minutes gets broken to the downside. If it doesn't, then it's just noise that we don't want to even really care for too much. So if it doesn't break a 2 down on the 5, then it's just going to be an invalidated trade again, and then we're going to get stopped out, close up for the night. I'm not trading this. If it breaks a 2 down on the 5, we'll be solid. We'll continue pushing down, come back, test this low again, and then we'll push down to these lows after we break a 2 down.
We're not counter trading. Isn't gold and NQ? It's like two different things. It's different. Wow.
He just explained that to you, Nexus. Inside on the
We're gonna
5.
stop anyway.
Oh, so you're on both lives commenting or what?
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Inverse. Inverse what? Inverse thing what?
What are we
I
doing?
just want to see this 3-minute break to the downside, and then break the 15 to the downside, and then we should be solid on this trade. But if it goes up, we are at break even, so risk free trade. Doesn't really matter.
Can we not clap, Z?
Alright,
I hear it in my ear, bro.
I got you, I got you. They are typically inverse their value gap. Yeah, we inverse
Like I
their
said,
value
it
gap.
doesn't really matter until we break that 5-minute. Well, I guess now we have an inside bar, so until we break this 5-minute low.
Get the break. Get the break. Come on, there you go. That's the break. Okay. Target should be this 15-minute. We should get a break on that 15-minute next. And then TP should be in the back.
I'm genuinely surprised of gold's movement right now. Gold never moves this slow, by the way, which is surprising to me that it is moving this slow. Even during Asia, it actually moves pretty damn clean. First take profit is at 410. That's where I want to see price go down to. And then second TP is 405. Realistically, even lower than that, I'll probably secure it. But like over here, it's more than enough, to be honest, to secure this and just walk away. But you know, I want to see it come down. I want to see it take a shit. I don't see a move up other than news. If news just drops right now, that's the only reason that gold would move up, because NQ would be dumping. But I'm extremely bearish on gold. So can we get that 5-minute break to the downside? Confirms the direction, and then we should be fine.
I'm seeing short. I thought short was that's like the 5-minute that we run down there.
That's the inside bar as well. Back at entry, if anybody wants to exit now, feel free to do so. Take a little hit off of just probably the what's it called, the fees, whatnot, and that's it. So if you want to feel like exiting, exit now. Personally, I just want to hold. Again, my analysis is telling me, oh, it's shorts. I want to jump in shorts. I want to see this plummet. If we break this 5, I might add 2 more contracts personally. If we break the 5-2 down, then yeah, I would probably add 2 more contracts. Came down, tested these lows. Let's see it. Let's see it low. Let's see it. Let's see it gold. Celsius is not helping, by the way. Or Alani, sorry. It is not helping whatsoever.
Not really. Not really. Come on.
Break it 2 down.
So good. Why you stop?
Even gold is a little freezing. Yeah, again, like if you guys don't feel like being in this trade, break even was right there earlier. Like exit the trade, call it, to be honest, because this is pretty bad price action. I'm still trading it just because I want to take a couple trades. I haven't traded. I didn't trade yesterday, so I feel like today would be fine for me to trade. So yeah. Whoa, that's insane. That's insane. That's insane. If it just breaks the 2 down, I'll feel a little bit more happy. But since it didn't, I'm not very happy about this. We have to watch CNB whenever we're trading now. We have to watch either some kind of news calendar or something. Because any news could affect everything. Like, this is a market that's so reliant on news. that regardless of what your technicals tell you, if the news is saying something, then the news is saying something, and that's it. Just know that. So, yeah. Doesn't really matter until we break a 2 down. Here we go, testing the lows again. It does not really matter until we break this. You could move your stops here tighter if you wanted to. Personally, gonna have it right above this high. I don't want to see us come back up there. If we do, I want to be out. Or right here. I can't even listen to music right now, Z. I'm gonna be on, bro. My head pounding.
Yes. Drop, baby, drop. Come on. Print.
Gold is just frozen.
Come on, let's go. It down. This should ease up to TP, you know? Come on. Let's hit TP.
No, just waiting for. We're right here, just waiting for gold, Z. While NQ's printing for you. We're right here, just waiting. Oh no, it's right now finally at the lows, but is it gonna break it? GC, yeah, it wants to dump so bad, but it's just not having follow through. As soon as it breaks a 2 down here, I might add 2 more contracts. So that would be for what? 418.3. 418.3 would be down here. Yeah. If it breaks that, then I'll add 2 more contracts to my position. And I'll sell them here too.
So is the strategy for you, but you can use it only one time in every trade. Well, high are you going up? Drop it. Come on.
Golden and Q are moving the same? Guys, if you guys feel like exiting, exit now. It's at break even. Again, it's at break even. If you're not happy with the risk that come with this position, please exit now. Please exit now. To use the soap. I don't even know if I have that emoji over here somewhere. Where is it? Where'd you find the soap, Z? Why do you even have a soap? Okay. Alright.
I soaked the price action so it can drop, you know?
W's.
But now it's bumping. Why are we going? We're going up.
And GC's going up too. So far, at least. GC's just going up. 30 order. What? Who smacked you in the head? Oh my god. Massive. Whoa.
What is this? Why?
Massive. Where's the soap? Can you guys see the soap somewhere in here? Where's the soap? I don't see it. I don't see soap. Should be in like household items. GC wants to take a fat shit, but here we are just waiting. Again, if we break the 5-2 down, I would love to add more to my position. Gold, you could use me as liquidity. Ahem.
Okay.
I'm just saying. What the hell is this? Oh, I don't even know what that is. What the fuck are these candles? It didn't. There it is. Maybe now. Maybe now.
No. What are we doing?
There we go. And no. And no again.
How is this a thing? How does it hit my first TP and then it wants to go hit your first TP? And then like, what?
Me? My first TP? What do you mean? It's nowhere close to my first TP. We're literally near break even. Guys, if you feel like exiting, exit now. You guys are in a little bit of profit. Take it and walk away if you don't feel like holding. I swear this is a horrible price action right now. This is like horrible. I swear to God, this is horrible. 13.8. Can we break 13.8? It's right there. Why are we going back up? Why are we going back up? Oh my god, man.
Taylor is hating. We got a hater.
Can we please gold? But please. There we go. Yes, thank you. I love you. All right. Broke it 2 down. I added 2 more here. Oh. There we go. I added 2 more here. And then I'll secure the majority. Like I said, I'll secure a majority over here. So 18 contracts I'll secure at these lows. I'll leave the rest.
Don't wait if you want to drop now.
Gold just broke a 5-minute 2 down after freaking consolidating for a year.
Well, yeah, it's happening the same thing with NQ. They broke a 15-minute 2 down, and then it went straight back up. Now it's run straight back down.
We'll see. I mean, I like trading gold during Asia. There we go. Nice dookie. Nice dookie, but no take profit yet. So we just gotta be patient. Let me see how much would this be. 1800.
How many times?
This would be 2000. So I'll take profit here. I'll take full profit over here. I won't be greedy. 700. Come on. Take a dump. Gold, take a dump.
W mindset.
Gold, take a dump. Where is our 1-to-1? Which would be right here. This is where we'll move our stops to break even, and then we let the rest run. And that would be 414.6, which we are not too far off of, unless gold just does this. Annoying ass shit. Okay. GC, please have follow through for once. The decency to actually follow through. Have the stomach and the heart, okay, to follow through. Okay? Thank you. I'm speaking to you politely. I'm being nice. What is, why? Why are we buying back?
Because NQ decided to go shorts again.
NQ decided to go shorts again?
Yes.
Why is NQ going shorts?
I don't know, dude. I don't know.
What the
It has all the reasons to go shorts, but to go long then, but it might get stopped out of break even there.
Are you in longs or in shortsy?
I'm in shorts.
So how does it go shorts if you're gonna get stopped out of break even?
Well, it was going shorts just a minute ago, and now 30 seconds after I said that, it's back at my break even.
Okay, so it's break even now.
Now it's long.
Now it's more longs.
Yes.
So now gold should be dropping. Right? So now gold should be dropping.
I just edged my break even, and now it dropped. Okay.
Yeah, Z got me so confused too, bro.
I'm confused myself on this price action, bro.
You're confusing me, brother. What is this?
Market makers are stop hunting my stop loss.
W market makers. Imagine not being a market maker, Z. Imagine, bro. If it decides to go somewhere, then that would be amazing. But, you know, us breaking at 2 down and then doing this, that's just concerning at this point. No way we have a 3 bar on the 5. What? I've never seen this shit of price action. I've never seen this shit price action, to be honest. I'm gonna be very real right now. I have never seen this. This is just insane. Maybe 15 is a clear direction, bro. 15 is nice, like push down, you know? But here we are testing the range. Again, if it doesn't hit our 1-to-1, I can't move my stops to break even. This just didn't hit the,
Okay.
didn't do anything, so can't just, you know, react yet. How is NQ and gold pumping? It just don't make sense. And what doesn't make sense doesn't make dollars, so aha. You know, type shit.
Tyler, take it. Take it, dude. Take it and run with it.
What is this 5-minute close on gold?
Oh my god, holy cookness. This is how I know you're uneducated. Because you're hating. And then now you say it's because of the Iraq and the Israel war.
Iraq.
Bro, whatever, just stay on here, you know. Nobody needs your knowledge anyway, somebody will lie to you. You got no knowledge.
We break a 2 down off the inside on the 15-minute time frame, and we flush down, but we pull right back up, and now we're just consolidating in the same range that we just broke out of.
And here is the ICT, and I'm sorry to come out. Dude, I have it on 4 at 18 years old. Oh. Okay. 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 Like I said. Now NQ's dropping, bro.
Is NQ moving cleaner than Z? What are you... You're confusing me, gang.
I wasn't short. Okay? Look at it. Why are you getting confused? It's literally... I took shorts, and then up that 15 minutes to the top side, and then went long, back to break even.
What
Now
the
it's
fuck?
back to...
MGC. Oh man, this is so annoying.
Wow. It stops me out just to drop like that.
I'm just waiting for now. Take another hit on this, I'm out. Do you see all this?
Don't tag me, bro. I don't need to tag, bro.
Here's another 1 minute to shoot at, and let's see if it follows through.
All the time.
Again, break even here. If anybody want to exit, please.
I did not say anything. I did not say anything. That's very
Now what's important is we break this low. So let's see if we could do that too.
yeah, that's crazy ass.
Gold with the insane. I don't even...
Now you crossed the line. I wasn't gonna ban you, but now you crossed the line. As in order to go for real, but you're entertaining these haters a little too much. Yeah, I know. I just give them a chance, you know, because in life you gotta give people chances.
Bro, if this trade hits stop loss or break even, I have no emotion at this point. Because it's like... It's so slow. What the hell? But yes, please, if you feel like exiting, we're near break even here, or a little bit in profit, feel free to do so. Just exit the trade, call it, close it, move on, right? This usually moves way faster than this, bro. It's way better than this too. This is just chop in every fucking way. I hate that. But oh well. Boring ass price action, bro. Z, what's going on here? Bro pulling an ASMR on us, bro.
Wait, why is my mic that strong today?
I don't know. Do you have like a way for you to like turn on noise suppression? I think Discord has it, right? If this doesn't follow through on this 5, then I'm legit gonna close up and just call it a day. At this point, I don't know what else would follow through. We have a perfect entry. We have a decent stop loss. Follow through.
Noise suppression.
If you don't, oh well. Mm-hmm. Yes, turn it on. Turn it on.
It is on.
Oh, yeah, put it to none. Yo, I gotta use the bathroom, bro. Is this gonna do something? If it was a break-even trade, I would have loved to manage and just, but...
Sometimes, yeah, but I do not. I do not alert. But we have multiple people that do options. We have
JPM, Nitro right now joining us. We have Destroyer. He's also a options trader. We have me. I also trade options.
Nitro's joining us, so should be excited.
There we go. Maybe now we break the 5 and we flush. Huh? Gold? What you think? What you think? Let's come to an agreement. Break the 2 down on the hourly, and then you could do whatever the hell you got going on over here. We got a 30-minute inside, which is lovely, by the way. It's amazing. Love it. I expected to get into the trade and actually have momentum. It's actually just, trading in this range right now. So we have our stops. If it does push a 2 up, we are out, obviously, because we're in shorts. And if it pushes a 2 down, we are in, and we're gonna book. So we'll see what this next candle has to provide. 15 is about to close here in 2 more minutes, so not this candle. Wait, hold on. Yeah, actually this candle, or next candle, next 1 minute candle, not this one, the next one. Even my chair is begging me. Stop making excuses, terrible. I am. Is that the same angel that got banned on the Discord? I think. No, his. Oh yeah, yeah, man. I hope you got my message, boss. But nothing personal, just business, man. That's it. Wish you the best of luck. Wish you the best thing in your life, but I can't have that in my place, man. I was sent a couple messages from you, promoting other Discords inside the community. I have, again, a couple people that have DM'd me saying the same thing. So, yeah, that's the reason why. If you never promoted or anything like that, then of course I do have the proof from them. Literally, I have the messages from them, so I can't be making it up. But if you never did, again, I mean, maybe they took it in a wrong way. Maybe they saw it in the wrong way. I saw it the same way they did, so that's the reason why you got banned. But that's why. Other than that, I have no issues against you again. You seem like a cool guy, and that's it. But just can't have that in my space. It's just not the right thing, right? That's it, bro. Like, it's... Please don't take it in any bad way. Like, I don't mean to offend you in any way, but I was a little impulsive whenever I joined the other Discord and just kind of overreacted, I would say. Because it did piss me off. Like, I'm like, all right, guys, like, let's actually focus up. Let's actually, but... Please, Focus on whatever we got focused on. That's it. What the fuck is this open? Okay, gold, whatever. There's 200 Discord. Again, man, I don't have the energy right now to argue or sit back and forth. Just add me on Discord, I guess. I'll send you the messages. You could review them yourself, and you know, I'll make sure to hide the members' names because I don't want to share that. But yeah, if you feel like you did nothing wrong, then you know, just let me know, and we could chat about it. Boring. Did the 15 break the 2 down, or what is it doing here? This is the next 15, so it breaks the 2 down, it would be solid. It doesn't, it would be kind of annoying to be in this, to be honest, but we'll have to wait and see. It's just that low, the same low, basically. But yeah, we'll have to see. Angel grow up. No, man, no, like, no, I don't hate him or anything. Again, like, you know, there's nothing, you know, he never did anything, even if he says, you know, something, whatever, then it's okay, you know. Stuff happens, you know, stuff like that happens to communities. I've been in the trading space for a pretty long time now, so for me, it's like, all right, here's our 1-to-1, moving stops to break even. I fucking, man, thank you. Now have the decency to flush down and, you know, give us our profit for the night, and then we can call it a night together, gold. And if you move up, I swear to God, I'll crash out right now. But yeah, anyway, yeah. Again, don't like, nobody from here should be telling him anything bad. Like, there's nothing. You know, everybody's at their own journey, at their own pace. What are we doing, gold? Look, see the DOM right here? Nice, like, a good amount of sells, but price, follow through. Boring. So we need to break this, which has 415 basically, exactly on the dot. We just need to break it down and we should be fine. So 415 would be right here, which is this low, like literally just keeps coming to and then kind of retracing back up. Right now for this candle, at least this 1 minute candle. But yeah, breaks that down would be awesome, would be nice, would be beautiful on gold. And we could expect a continuation. If we don't, then we're more likely to reverse back up, go to stop loss, which is a risk-free trade for me right now, so I'm not really stressing it. I'll have my TP, I guess, where the fees are at, so that's just $28 in profit. It's nothing crazy, just a little bit below, you know, break even, just in case, you know. Even your own members message me saying, well, I mean, if that's the case, reach out to me again on Discord and, you know, send me that. We'll talk about it. Yeah. I'm sorry, man, but I really have had a very busy day today and I don't feel like going back and forth about this topic. Are we moving to PM from now on? As far as now, to be honest, guys, anybody that's in the Discord, I am going to be mainly trading PM session just because, I'm a little bit more. What's the username of this guy? His name is Angel something. I have a snippet here I'll send. Did he also send you an invite, Rookie? No way. No way he also sent. Oh, okay, I was going to say. Somebody else? Ban them off. What? No questions asked. Bonk him. I'm gonna secure it here at this low. Just really not liking the consolidation here, so I'll just not be greedy. Secure at this low and then just call it for now. Yeah. This is so freaking boring. This is so boring. Oh my god. I needed to plummet. Look at these cells. We're at a decent profit here. If anybody wants to book, feel free to book. You know, obviously this is solid right here. So 5 minute fair valued area game changer Microsoft Edge Minecraft creeper. Let's go.
Discord is in the vibe.
Let's go. 5 minute gapped areas Microsoft Edge. Let's go. W's in the chat for that 5 minute gapped areas Microsoft World craft obese Beaster Mr. Beast versus Speed racing. Yeah. Unicorn.
No, there isn't any this time.
Why are you changing the Discord to night trading? I'm not changing it to night trading. So I just didn't trade PM today because it was really bad price action. It was horrible price action in my opinion. So I didn't want to trade it, but I traded mainly just. I didn't trade yesterday actually. Oh, there's near TP right here. Come on. Can we get an order filled? Can we get an order filled? Da, 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 da. Okay, we have literally no orders sitting down there, but I mean, might be getting edged. All right. It's gonna be a good day. All right, I'm gonna have a limit buy of 5 over here. I'm gonna have another limit buy of another 5 over here. Can we get another? Can we get a limit buy? And then I'll have another limit buy of 5 over here. And then I'll have another limit buy of 5 over here. That's what, 20? This first one. We got TP first one, TP right there. And then we can keep trailing this down. And then we could secure it up here. So I have my, you could say stop loss at this high. I don't want to see us come back into the fair valued area gap ranged magnificent Dragon Ball Z. Okay. Okay. Oh God, that's not a good candle. And no good. No good candle. No good. No good a candlestick. Not very good. Very not good. See, I hate to see gold range back up right now, and I would secure it, but you know, if we break it 2 down, it'd be awesome. Can we? There we go. We broke it 2 down. Okay, we should be fine. Stop loss is getting extremely tight here. Are we being serious right now, gold? We're gonna wick right back up after we break it 2 down. Boring price action, yo. Okay. Gonna buy 10 back over here. And then the rest I'll have it above this high. And then we'll have 5 limit sell over here, and we'll let this come down maybe to this hourly low. Be nice. Nah, I'm not gonna hold all the way there, bro. Fuck that. I'm just managing the position, guys, that's all. So stops above that high. We want to see a continuation on this flush. Would be awesome. What's important is we break this slow. That's what's important right now for me. I do want to have my stops a little bit tighter here too, because I don't like how we're consolidating here. I want to see an immediate rejection, but so far, no follow through yet. If we reject from this, at that point, I'll move my stops this candle's high. Okay. I'm about to claim all position right here. I'm about to close it all if we break it 2 up. I literally have my stops right above that high. If we break it 2 up, I'm out. I'm not okay with this being this low. Take profit 1 is at 410.6. So, or well, I took partials earlier, but yeah. All right, we're out. All right, W fucking trade 1.8K with 25 contracts. Let's fucking go. Good work. Good work, my boy. Winning trade, appreciated. W, love that. Post some profits. Let's see it. We'll do a little recap on why I took the trade for anybody that's watching on YouTube or will be watching on YouTube. Again, pretty simple. Same old. Just an inside bar, right? Wanted to see that continuation of a 2 down over here, to be honest. I didn't want to see us come back up all the way up here and then do this. So that I did not want to see. I just wanted to see that continuation of the plummet to push back down bearish to these lows, to reclaim these levels, right? Back from negative 500 to 80. There you go. That's the whole purpose behind the alerts that me and Z, and I'm not going to speak for anybody else, maybe most likely Mo too as well, because I've noticed he's been doing really well. We have a good RR multiple on our trades that we call out and we do play. We have a good RR multiple. So we don't, yeah. What did Angel say? Alright, yeah, bro. I'm sorry, Angel. It looks like you're gonna have to be gone from this as well. I'm sorry, guys. He's gone. I got him out of the way. Yeah, I got him out of there. But anyway, so if you guys notice, we call out good RR multiple trades. So always make sure you're managing your risk. If you're risking $200 per trade, you should not be, immediately as soon as you see $50 winning, you're out. Obviously, it's just common sense. That's what RR multiple looks like. So always manage your risk. Whatever you feel comfortable with, take. If something you don't feel comfortable with doing, then obviously don't take it, right? So just manage your risk, whatever you feel is happy and good enough for you. For me, for example, today I took a $500 hit. I could have booked more on this trade, but I'm not gonna mess around with this price action right now. I'm not gonna be greedy. That's it. So yeah. But yeah, pretty simple. Again, 5-minute retracement, so just 5-minute bearish candle close. I saw that kind of happening. Gold tends to have this kind of motion. I don't know if anybody trades it often to notice this, but on the 5-minute candlesticks, pretend this is a 5-minute candlestick, okay? It doesn't look the best like a candlestick. Why are the wicks so weird? Okay, right? So pretty much price pulls back down to the candle's low and then pushes right back up. And it's a little weird, but it does that. It's weird. But it does that. So, yeah. I was just expecting that price because it did push that 2 down, right? And then after that, push back 2 down, it pushed back up. We entered in, had our stops above that high that we have already formed on the 15, and wanted to target the lows. I see gold plummeting, but am I going to stick around to watch it? I'm going to be honest. No, I'm tired. I've had a long day. Just wanted to get on with you guys. But yeah. Rejection back down to these lows is the idea. Is target would be these lows. We break that, which also breaks that hourly low, which we were talking about earlier, which breaks back down, pushes that 4-hour, also forms at the bottom wick. I mean, this 4 hours is a little concerning. This 4 hours is not good for longs. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Love you, Big T. I love you too, bro. I love you all. W trade, WWW. Minecraft server for the Discord. I'm down. See, and then what gave me a more conviction was what? We created a balanced price range, priced. Price balanced when it became balanced price range at the range of the price at the balanced area. So now it became balanced. And now we have balanced out the balances between the differences of the markets, and then now we have combined the balances into one balance. So now we are balanced. And then we, yeah. Join my mentorship, $20,000 for teaching you what balance range price is. Link in my bio. Not financial advice. Who took that from YouTube? Yeah, super simple. Angel, you can stay on YouTube, but I saw you were going back and forth with other people on TikTok. Again, man, please. So you can stay on YouTube, no issues, but please, let's not argue back and forth with people. That's all, bro. Anyways, is it dumb to take NQ shorts right now? Why would you take? What would be the reason for you to take NQ shorts? What's the reasoning behind it? I mean, yeah, that 5-minute shooter right there could push a 2 down. 15 minutes is looking a little bearish, I'm not gonna lie. Hourly is also looking bearish. We failed to close above, which this is still considered a 2 down, by the way. This is still considered a fail to up. We failed that directional move to the top side. This is still considered a fail to up. Just FYI. Okay, yeah. Yeah. Here the goat Turboski. Thank you. Yeah, let me run to the bathroom real quick. I'll see if we could maybe jump into another trade, and then yeah. If not, we'll probably close up the night. But yeah. Now I spent a lot of money just to get this one combine pass, locking in on this one. There you go, W. Got one combine. Let's go, Chris. Dubs. ZJR from that short. There you go. GC Dumpy. There you go. How much? Oh my god. Bro, 1,500 on each account? What the hell? Let's go. 531. Let's go. 575. Let's go. It took forever. I feel that in every way, yo. That took ages just to play out. Like, honestly, yeah. Yo, can you check why I got banned now? I'm not entirely sure. What's your username on Discord, man? There has to be a reason why you were banned. There's not, there's always a reason why people get banned. It's not just for us just, feeling like it or something. There's always a reason why we ban people. So, send it to me on Discord. His name is on TikTok is D Dan. Alright, I'll be right back. Let me run to the bathroom real quick. Hi guys. These guys don't make enough, so have to make mentorships. Between the blades mowing, I'm guessing you lawn mods. How much? Because I'm about to pull out a payout right now here in a little bit, and I would need that to happen as ASAP. But stay humble, man. Have a good night, bro. The Discord is simple. It's a simple $50 fee for today. Actually, this is the last day. Will be $50, and that's it. After that, it's going to $74.99. There's too many upgrades. There's too many things. The Discord is so undervalued right now that I don't even know what. Yeah. If you don't feel like joining, no one is forcing you. No one is telling you. Like, I'm not showing you behind me fat Lamborghinis and Ferraris and saying, yeah, bro, look. If you want to get this, buy my mentorship. I never said that. I never claimed that. I've never said anything like that. I've never done anything like that. Right? And yeah, that's just the reality. Like, yeah, I've gotten us. Good for you, man. Do you want me to buy your mentorship? Alrighty, guys. I'm gonna close up for the night. Done trading. It is just 2 trades a day, like we said. This is an actual Express account. Yes, here I'll refresh. This is, yeah, like, yeah. Anyways, done for the night. And yeah, I'll be chatting with you guys tomorrow or bright and early, alright? Or during PM session, we'll be on. But yes, we live trade every single day during Asia. If anybody wants to join, the link is in my bio. Today prices will be changing. Of course, we have more people, we have new alerters, we have many upgrades that are coming to Discord. A lot of you have voted for, you know, other stuff, so we'll keep it going. And this week, Friday, we have a lesson as well for supply and demand, using the strat, how you could spot that, how you could use supply and demand and using it combined. After that, we'll have a conversation about DOM and volume. So yeah, let's see you guys tomorrow, bright and early, actually around like 11 my time. So yeah, PM. All right, let me end up. Alrighty, guys, take care, everybody. Love you all. See you guys tomorrow.